Do you know which foods can naturally increase your vitamin B12 levels? Welcome, and thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the wonders of vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in our body's overall health. Today, we delve into the importance of vitamin B12, its role in our bodily functions, and the symptoms that may indicate a deficiency. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a powerhouse nutrient that our bodies need but cannot produce. This water-soluble vitamin is found naturally in a variety of foods and plays an essential role in the production of your DNA and red blood cells. But that's not all. It's also a key player in nerve function. You see, our nervous system is like an intricate network of wires transmitting signals throughout our bodies, and vitamin B12 acts like the insulation around those wires, protecting them and ensuring those signals travel efficiently. Now imagine if this insulation starts to wear off. That's when we start seeing the symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. It may begin subtly, with fatigue and a slight weakness. Over time, it could progress to more severe symptoms like anemia, nerve damage, and even mental disorders. And here's something that may surprise you. Even though vitamin B12 deficiency is often associated with vegetarians and vegans, it can affect anyone. In fact, many people who eat meat regularly may still have a deficiency due to poor absorption. So, how do we ensure that we're getting enough vitamin B12? That's where diet comes into play. By incorporating certain foods into our meals, we can naturally increase our vitamin B12 levels and keep our bodies functioning at their best. This brings us to the main topic of our discussion today. We're going to explore 8 fantastic foods that can help boost your vitamin B12 levels naturally. From the depths of the sea to the humble breakfast egg, we've got a lot to cover. Now let's dive into the foods that can help increase your vitamin B12 levels naturally. Starting off our list is seafood, a wonderful source for vitamin B12. When we think of seafood, we often picture a spread of succulent clams, vibrant fish, and perhaps even a lobster or two. But did you know that these oceanic delights are not just tantalizing to the taste buds, but also brimming with health benefits? Take clams for instance. These tiny shells are an absolute powerhouse when it comes to vitamin B12. Just a small serving can provide you with several times the daily recommended intake. And let's not forget about fish. Species like mackerel, salmon, and tuna are not only rich in vitamin B12, but they also offer a generous supply of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. But the benefits of seafood go beyond just vitamin B12. High in protein and low in saturated fat, seafood is a great choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. It's also a good source of other essential nutrients, such as iodine, zinc, and selenium. Incorporating seafood into your diet can be as simple as grilling a piece of salmon for dinner, or tossing some canned tuna into your lunchtime salad. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not try steaming some clams, or even making a seafood stew? So, next time you're planning a meal, consider adding some seafood to your plate. Not only will you be treating yourself to a delicious dish, but you'll also be giving your body a boost of essential nutrients. For meat lovers out there, red meat is an excellent source of vitamin B12. Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy steak or savoring the rich, flavorful notes of a slow-cooked stew. Not only are these culinary delights a treat for your taste buds, but they're also packed with vitamin B12. Red meat, specifically beef liver and lamb, are particularly rich in this essential nutrient. Now let's talk about beef liver. This often overlooked cut of meat is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting some of the highest levels of vitamin B12 of any food. A mere 3-ounce serving provides an astounding 7 times the daily recommended intake of vitamin B12. Lamb shouldn't be left out of the picture either. It's another fantastic source of vitamin B12, with a 3-ounce serving providing over half of your daily requirements. It's a tasty and nutritious option that can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. However, it's important to keep in mind that while red meat is a great source of vitamin B12, we should pay attention to portion sizes and frequency of consumption. You see, a balanced diet is key. Consuming too much red meat can lead to other health complications, so it's all about finding that sweet spot. So the next time you're grilling up a steak or roasting a leg of lamb, remember that you're not just satisfying your cravings, you're also nourishing your body with essential vitamin B12. So, a steak dinner can not only satisfy your taste buds but also contribute to your B12 intake. Chicken isn't just a versatile food item, it's also a good source of vitamin B12. Poultry, a category that also includes turkey and duck, is a wonderful source of this essential nutrient. These bird-based foods are not just high in protein, but they also contain a decent amount of vitamin B12. Now let's talk turkey, and chicken, and duck, and any other poultry you might fancy. When it comes to cooking these birds, there are a few methods that will help you retain the most vitamin B12. One of the best ways is to roast or grill your poultry. These methods require less water compared to boiling or stewing, which means less vitamin B12 is lost during cooking. Another point to consider is the part of the bird you are consuming. Dark meat such as the thighs and drumsticks typically contains higher levels of vitamin B12 than white meat like the breast. So, the next time you're at the butcher's, don't just stick to the breast meat. Venture into the world of dark meat and enjoy a delicious B12-rich meal. Remember, moderation is key. While poultry is a great source of vitamin B12, like any food, it's best to consume it as part of a balanced diet. Who knew that your favorite chicken dish could also be a B12 booster? Enjoy your poultry and keep those B12 levels up. Bon appetit! The humble egg is a nutritional powerhouse, including a decent amount of vitamin B12. Now, when we think about eggs, we often focus on the protein they provide. But let's not overlook the essential nutrients they pack, and one of those is our star player today, vitamin B12. Primarily, the yolk of the egg is where the vitamin B12 is concentrated. Just a couple of eggs for breakfast can give you a good chunk of your recommended daily intake, and it's not just about the B12. Eggs are a multivitamin miracle. They're rich in vitamin D, necessary for healthy bones and teeth, and vitamin A, which is key for good vision. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that can help keep your eyes healthy. And let's not forget the high-quality protein and healthy fats, which can keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. But remember, the way you prepare your eggs can affect their nutritional profile. Boiling or poaching is generally a healthier choice than frying. And combining eggs with vegetables in an omelet is a fantastic way to create a nutrient-dense meal. So, whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are a great way to get your B12. They're versatile, easy to prepare, and delicious. Truly, eggs are more than just a breakfast staple, they're a nutritional superstar. If you are a fan of dairy products, you're in luck. They are a good source of vitamin B12. Let's start with milk. A single cup of milk can provide about 20% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin B12. It's a staple in many diets around the world, and it's not just for calcium. It's a great source of protein and other essential nutrients too. Cheese, on the other hand, is another dairy product that's rich in vitamin B12. The sharper the cheese, the higher the B12 content. Swiss cheese, for instance, is a great choice. It can offer up to 14% of the daily recommended intake in just one slice. Besides, who can resist the tangy and robust flavor of a good cheese? And let's not forget about yogurt. It's a delicious, versatile dairy product that can also boost your B12 levels. A single cup of yogurt can provide about 15% of the daily recommended intake. It's also packed with probiotics, which are known to promote gut health. But dairy products aren't just about vitamin B12. They also provide calcium, which is crucial for bone health. Plus, they are a good source of protein and other essential nutrients your body needs. So, next time you're enjoying a creamy yogurt, sipping on a glass of milk, or savoring a slice of cheese, remember you're not just satisfying your taste buds. You're also boosting your vitamin B12 intake and doing your body a world of good. So, enjoy that slice of cheese or glass of milk knowing you're boosting your B12 intake. A bowl of fortified cereal can be a great start to your day, especially for your vitamin B12 levels. Now you might be wondering, what exactly do we mean by fortified? Well, when we talk about fortified cereals, we're referring to those breakfast staples that have had nutrients added to them that aren't naturally present. And one of those added nutrients can often be vitamin B12. Cereal makers have understood the importance of this nutrient and have been fortifying their products with it for years. It's a simple way to ensure that we get a good dose of this essential vitamin right at the start of our day. But here's a tip. Not all cereals are created equal. Some might be packed with sugars and unhealthy additives. So, when you're in the cereal aisle, look for those that are not only fortified with vitamin B12, but also low in sugar and high in fiber. Reading labels can be your best ally when choosing the right cereal. Also keep in mind that our bodies absorb B12 best when it's taken with a source of dietary fat. So, consider adding some nuts or seeds to your cereal bowl to maximize absorption. Breakfast just got a lot more interesting, didn't it? Now you can enjoy your morning cereal, knowing it's doing more than just filling your belly. It's also helping to boost your vitamin B12 levels. Nutritional yeast, a favorite among vegans, is also a good source of vitamin B12. A unique and versatile ingredient, nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that comes in the form of yellow flakes or powder. It's known for its cheesy, nutty, and savory flavor, making it a popular cheese substitute in plant-based diets. But what makes nutritional yeast a star in our list? Well, it's packed with vitamin B12. A single tablespoon can provide more than the daily recommended intake of this vital nutrient. Whether you're a vegan or not, incorporating nutritional yeast into your meals can help ensure you're getting enough B12. And nutritional yeast is not a one-trick pony. It's also loaded with other B vitamins, fiber, and high-quality protein. Plus, it's naturally low in fat and sodium, so it's a fantastic addition to a healthy diet. The beauty of nutritional yeast is its versatility. You can sprinkle it on your popcorn for a cheesy twist, mix it into your pasta sauce for added depth of flavor, or even blend it into your soups and stews for extra creaminess and nutrition. It's an easy way to enhance the taste of your dishes while also boosting their nutritional profile. Remember, while nutritional yeast is a good source of B12, it's not a standalone solution to a balanced diet. It's best used as part of a varied, nutrient-rich diet that includes other B12 sources. So sprinkle some nutritional yeast on your popcorn or pasta and enjoy a B12 boost. For those who don't consume dairy, fortified plant-based milk is a great alternative for vitamin B12. Yes, you heard that right. Plant-based milks, when fortified, can be a wonderful source of this essential nutrient. Let's delve into the world of plant-based milks. First in line is almond milk. Almond milk is light, nutty, and goes well with just about anything. But did you know that when fortified, it's also a great source of vitamin B12? That's right, your morning cereal might be more nutrition-packed than you thought. Next, we have soy milk. Creamy, smooth, and rich, soy milk is a favorite in many households. When fortified, soy milk not only provides protein but also a good dose of vitamin B12. Whether in your coffee or your smoothie, fortified soy milk makes for a healthy and delicious option. But how do these milks get fortified? The process involves adding essential nutrients during production. This means that your plant-based milk doesn't just taste good, but also contributes to your daily nutritional needs. Remember though, that while these milks can contribute to your vitamin B12 intake, they shouldn't be your only source. A balanced diet is key to getting all the nutrients your body needs. So enjoy that cup of coffee with fortified plant-based milk, knowing you're getting some B12 in your system. So there you have it, 8 foods to boost your vitamin B12 intake naturally. Let's take a moment to recap. We've explored the ocean's bounty with seafood like clams and sardines, rich in vitamin B12. We've delved into the heartiness of red meat, particularly beef liver, a powerhouse of this essential vitamin. We've touched upon poultry, especially turkey and chicken, both excellent sources of B12. We've cracked open the benefits of eggs, a versatile addition to any meal, and a good source of vitamin B12. We've indulged in the goodness of dairy, from milk to cheese and yogurt, each brimming with B12. We've dived into the world of fortified cereals, an easy and quick way to start your day with a boost of this essential vitamin. We've sprinkled on the benefits of nutritional yeast, a vegan-friendly source of B12. And finally, we've sipped on fortified plant-based milk, an excellent alternative for those seeking dairy-free sources of vitamin B12. We've journeyed through a diverse range of foods, each with their unique flavors and nutritional profiles, but all united in their ability to enhance your vitamin B12 levels. Remember, these foods are not just about vitamin B12, they are part of a larger symphony of nutrients that work together to keep our bodies healthy and functioning at their best. Before embarking on any significant dietary changes, it's always important to consult a healthcare provider or a nutritionist. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific health needs and lifestyle. After all, a balanced diet is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's a personalized harmony of various nutrients tailored to your individual needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to check out our other videos too. Thanks for watching.